You gonna show us what we got in the mail today? Rusty, you gonna show us what we got in the mail today?
Oh, you scared him.
Here.
Can you write that up there?
And today is day what?
Day 3.
No, it's not day 3. Today's the 14th, so it's day 14.
Oh.
If I'm standing right here, can you see me in my head or am I cut off?
No, I can see the entire garage. I can see 2 feet above your head.
That's all I want you to know.
And I can see your socks.
You like my socks?
Is my microphone on?
Yeah. You want something to open it up with?
Yeah. Is it okay for me to say, all right, friends?
We could say whatever you want to say. Say it.
Now?
Say it.
Give me 1 second.
Rusty, come here. What do we get in the mail today?
So today is day 14, and we've received Happy Mail. So
Day 14.
I can say
My
it.
name is Chris.
So we've reached day 14, and we've received Happy Mail. So we're going to share our Happy Mail and do some unboxing with you guys. Hopefully you enjoy it as much as we're enjoying. Let's take a look.
Come on. What's in the box?
Which one should I do first? Big or little?
That one.
Little? So.
If you guys don't know, this is a 90-day build that we're doing. Today the EMPI's open house in June, and then after that it'll go off to SEMA for the SEMA show. So follow the build. This is Driven VW, or I know me as Driven 60 VW, Chris and Dana. Driven 60 VW, Chris and Dana. So she's unboxing something we got in the mail from one of our followers that provided us with this. They realized that we were doing the build. It's custom auto sound manufacturing. So let's see what we got.
So first, just reading the box, this sounds super cool because it says custom auto sound modifies each radio to fit our customer's unique year, make, and model of your vehicle. It's pretty cool. Oh, that's so cool. So custom fit into your dash radio.
See?
It's pretty cool.
I think the dog's looking at it.
So it says it's for a VW.
That's what
So
we got.
that's a start.
It's AM, FM, 300 watts, 7 colors, dims. Okay, so it works from a 1958 to 1967. And we got something else with it.
Another box. Let's see.
Just so you guys know, this is what I'm looking at right now.
Super cool.
You know what that is?
So it's the whole setup.
These are kick plates with the speaker already in it. So it's already mounted. So you can paint them, you can put your carpet over it, but it looks like they brought it all set up to speaker and all. So pretty much got a ready to go. We have a ready to go speaker system. So
Sweet. That's awesome. Thank you so much for sending this to us. It's exciting to get our first piece of Happy Mail on day 14.
I guess we're calling it Happy Mail. So
I'm calling it Happy Mail. Makes me happy.
there you go. Sweet. Good job. Now you want a Bondo?